Welcome back, students. My name is Miss Hart, and I'm an intervention specialist for the high school math department. I will be teaching Algebra 1 lab, Algebra 2 lab, and a geometry lab. I will also be present for Algebra 1 with Mrs. Radel, second and ninth period. I will also be present with Mrs. Pratt for geometry ninth period. In the labs, we will be reteaching some of the concepts learned in the regular classroom. We will also be doing some homework and end of course test preparation. My email address is harte@muschools.com. You can also reach me on the school phone at 937-884-7940. This year, I have switched classrooms. I am now in 4208. Right now, the classroom is not quite set up, but I hope to have decorations and things up by the time you report to school. I have been teaching here for 12 years. I was a social worker prior to that for 13 years. Welcome back, and I can't wait to meet you.